back to the channel. It's early in the morning, it's about 6 o'clock. Just sold another car, so thought I'd do a quick video when I can. So this is the BMW M340D diesel. I'm not a big fan of diesel, hence why I'm selling it. I really did want to keep the M128 Ti. This is currently on a what was I gonna say? This is currently a diesel, and it is currently on Eco Pro. I think he wants a race, so we'll give him one. We're heading to the A road. Oh, he's turning off, so we don't really want that smoke. And just for information, these are private roads, so it's currently on Eco Pro. I'm gonna put it in sport, individual, gearbox, and sport. You can already hear this engine in a sport mode. Shift, to be honest. Not sure if this is a police officer, so we're just chilling. Can't be. In a Peugeot, can't be. So yeah, this is the car. It's only done 5,000 miles. I'm not sure what sort of MPG's on it. I literally got it yesterday and selling it today. Not more I can tell you about that. It drives well. Got the heated seats on because it is very nippy this morning. We'll give it a little blast after this to the roundabout and see how it feels. Oh my gosh, so many foxes were dead there. Rest in peace, man. Ready? Quite fast. Heading to Superbike, fast territory right there. Hey guys, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe because I'm bringing you so much content now. And let me know in the comments what sort of content do you want to see. Do you want to see more bike life content? To be honest, summer's almost over, so it's gonna probably be dirt bikes soon. Super bikes. I didn't really get a chance to video the last super bike I had a Honda S1000 double R, but CBR, so really Fireblade, not a double R, not a BMW. But I'm literally hovering on the throttle and it's sounding nice. Look, this is, as soon as I put my foot right to the floor, just pulls right away. This is guiding me back in. It's a 7-gear gearbox. I'm sure it's 8. Got 8 gears actually. Got the flappy paddles as well as the automatic. It's a great place to be, especially at night with this ambient lighting. And obviously purple being one of my favourite colours in the ambient lighting, so quite nice. lights are late, so I can get a few visuals. And you can see what the outside looks like. It does also have X-Drive, so it's got the 4-wheel drive function. I'll never get bored of that. It's just, the diesel just does not sound as nice as the petrols. Even though the 128 is slightly more underpowered, I'd always pick that over this. That's just a personal preference. Petrols just sound so much nicer. They have the DSG farts, and I can hear it through the speakers. The engine noises is like, it's compensating a bit too much. See, but anyway, I'll catch you on the other side.